Hi, today I'm going to talk about this Starbucks insulated tumbler that I got for a gift. I do have a previous video too of a ceramic Starbucks 50th edition cup that I purchased that was a box set, and feel free to check that out. So before I get started, if you can hit the subscribe button as I'm trying to build subscribers, and hit the like button and leave some comments if feel that you benefited from looking at this video, or you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate it. So let's get started. So this one I got as a gift. As you can see, this is an insulated vacuum insulated water bottle. It's a metal. The lid is metal, and also the bottle has the siren logo on it. It's a 50th anniversary edition that Starbucks has. This one doesn't come in a box. It's just a bottle by itself. They do have the ceramic one, which is a bottle box set. Comes in a green box and is really nice. Basically, Starbucks is 1971, it's 2021, so they're celebrating their 50th anniversary. Now, the great thing about this I like is that, it's a really awesome item where, you can carry it to work with insulated water inside, where it keeps it warm. Of course, you can't use this in the microwave. So basically, what do you get on this? So basically what you get is you get this bottle, you get the metal cap. If you open inside, you also get an instruction booklet on how to take care of this Starbucks item. Now, something to remember about these insulated Starbucks item is that you got to be really careful when you're washing it, but definitely don't use it in the microwave. So this is an instruction booklet that kind of tells you what to do and how to take care of it. Do not microwave it, and only hand wash it only, as it says in the instruction booklet. Now, this cup has the siren on it. It also has Starbucks logo in white, so it's pretty, really nice when you look at it. And then it retails for $24.95 in the USA, and it retails for $34.95 in Canada. So that's your price. Now, one thing I want to point out to everybody, if you were to get this for a gift or whether for yourself, also and also check out if there's actually this. This is a Starbucks gift card. It's for 50 years. This card is a color card, gift card with the siren on there, and it also Starbucks logo, and it also has the back of the gift card, as you can see. So they come hand in hand. It's nice to have this kind of commemoration edition card just to have it. But I just wanted to show everybody this tumbler, and then also this is something extra that you may want to just grab if you see it. I know that these items have been sold out because I tried grabbing the ceramic one, the box one, and I was able to find one only at Starbucks locally, and they told me that it's pretty much sold out everywhere. And this tumbler here, I got it as a gift. I don't even think I've ever seen this tumbler at any of the Starbucks. So I just want to point that out there. So just wanted to show this to everybody, unboxing it, and then also showing that you may want to grab this card too. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do hit the subscribe button as I'm trying to build my subscriber base, and leave me a like button, and also comments, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.